Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel and I'm really glad that you clicked on this video. So, Brandy Melville. Brandy Melville is a clothing company geared towards teenage girls. Except it isn't geared towards the entirety of us, because their clothing only fits sizes 00 to 6, or as they call it, one size fits all. By calling it one size fits all, they're saying that anyone who doesn't fall into that category, myself included, isn't worth the possible extra production costs. In actuality, it fits one size fits small. Teenage girls already have such a difficult time living in the social media era, seeing girls with seemingly perfect bodies live perfect lives, except every body is perfect, something a ton of teenage girls fail to realize. We all come with our own unique individual bodies in the way God made us. I fully disagree with the company's values, but I don't think that girls who fit in their clothes are bad people. They're beautiful, just as the girls who can't fit in their clothes are. Do whatever you want when it comes to buying your clothes. I just don't support that corporation. I decided to make my own Brandy Melville clothes. I was in Florida for vacation last week, and in Florida, everywhere there are Walmarts, everywhere. Also, super Targets. Like, what? So, I was there shopping. It was like 10 p.m. and I saw literally the exact clothing I would use to make Brandy Melville. So, I have this black hoodie, super comfy, and it was $9.97. Similar Brandy sweatshirt would sell for this much. So, comparatively, we already got off to a great start. And I also got this black short-sleeved shirt. They crop a lot of their shirts, but I don't wear crop tops, so I'm gonna keep this. This was on sale for $3. I found a store. Okay, so I love DIYs and like making things and playing with my hands and all that crazy stuff. And I found Hobby Lobby and I love it. I got iron-on patches because that's very Brandy Melville. And totally were $4 for 3 patches because they were on sale. My favorite. 3 patches. So I got this bicycle one, this rainbow one, and I got these flowers one. And the rainbow one I think is the most like Brandy Melville, but I'm really liking the bike one. I guess we're gonna go make that. So fun fact, I have never ironed anything in my life before. So this may end badly. Not exactly sure. How does this work? Ow, that closed on my hand. This week back on vacation, I'm already super stressed because I'm on Model UN and the Captain Model Congress, and those are both within the next 3 weeks. And I'm also on the soccer team, but I have to go to tryouts on Thursday. And I'm just like, and like my teacher goes straight in because it's junior year, and they're like, we don't care about you, bam! So that's my life right now. If you guys watched my last video, which will be linked right there, I had you facing my little project, so I think I'm gonna do that this time because why not? Hi guys. So here's the sweater. Rainbow or flower? My mom said rainbow, so we're gonna do the rainbow. Guys, this is the first one. Black short sleeves rainbow tee. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture of a Brandy shirt that looks like it right here. I like it. I think it's very basic. It's a little lopsided, but like it's fine if it's not that noticeable. I don't see myself wearing this out in public though. I'll probably wear it as like pajamas. But I think this one, let's give it a 7 out of 10. And hopefully our sweatshirt will be a 10 out of 10 because that's what I'm actually excited for. Let's go do our sweatshirt. Sweatshirt. I actually really like this. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. It took me a really long time to get the perfect placement, but I love it. It's very cute and girly and very Brandy. I was gonna do the butterfly one, but then I decided to do this because I feel like it's more unique. But I'll show you the picture that inspired me here. And I want you guys to create your own, to DIY your own, and send me pictures. I'm through my Instagram, linked down below, and everything I used will also be linked down below. And thank you so much for watching. I'm really glad that you came and watched this. Let me know how I did down below, and if you want me to make any more videos like I'm always looking to make new videos that you guys want to see. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.